So hi guys, welcome back. Right, I'm just gonna start this video by saying thanks to everyone who watched how to create GIF on iPhone. That video's been going really insane. Thanks to you guys. I received some lovely messages from that. People's been having fun with family and it's just been incredible. Now, after the new iOS, things has changed a little bit, and that's what I've noticed up from the messages that I received from you guys. So first, let me just have a look at the new system that I've got installed. I am currently using the 15.1.1, so if we went through this together, we should be all fine. Now, let me get back to the beginning. Right, we want to go to the shortcuts, click in shortcuts, and then as usual, we want to create a new shortcut. Name, what shall we name this one? Let's cap that GIF iOS 15. Okay, what I want to do is to create an action, so I'm going to say add an action, and the action we're calling for is make a GIF. Make a GIF. This is what we get. Now we want to be careful here because again we want to go to make a GIF from a content. So I'm clicking on content, and the content that I want, I'm saying the content is going to be, let's say I want to pick that information from a shortcut. So as we did in the old one, I'm clicking at the picture and then I'm choosing shortcut, the share button. Now it's a little bit different in the 15.1.1, or let's say from the iOS 15 onwards, because when you come down to here, it automatically creates this saying receive any input from nowhere. If there's no input, continue, and then blah blah blah. So what I want to do really is to click any here, and then from the any, what we want really is a media. So we want to say I'm creating the GIF from a media, so from a short video. Let's say I'll say no that, no to that, not to anything else, blam blam, and then that's done. So that's our first thing to do this time around. I'm going to say done. And then input from, I would like to specify where I'm getting the input from. So again, you remember what we said, I'm going to say I want to show this in the share sheet. So this is where I want to say show in share sheet. That is fine. And then everything else, I'm going to ignore that because that is nothing relevant to us. I'm just going to say done. Now, what I want to do next is I want to click GIF. So make a GIF, and where it says shortcut input, I want to expand that 2 seconds just to check the settings that we've got. So we've got seconds per photo, 0.2 seconds. That is more than fine. If you look at a GIF, normally they're sort of like so that's what we get. You can increase that.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Now I want to make sure if for some reason we haven't got that, to have a check on loop forever, so that will continue looping that. And then I would say, instead of finishing this way, a difference compared to the one we did last time is I would like to see a preview of what we're seeing. So that's when I would say show, this is where I'm making it up guys, show actually look quick look. Yeah, it was actually there and I ignored it completely. So we're gonna have a quick look of what's going on, and then finally, as it's suggesting below there, I want to save it to the library and as the recent picture. So that's the last thing that we want to have. Okay, now I'm gonna say that's fine, that is good as it is, and then I can, oh yeah, forgot, yeah, we can change the icon just in case you haven't watched the first video. I can change the icon from there, and if I go to glyph, so, this is actually something really nice, because I've found that we've got this sort of like icon which recalls a little bit the live photos. So the live photo, I think that's the icon, and this is what we're interested in this time around, and fine. Okay, so I'm going to close that. This is our new GIF, so GIF iOS 15, and let's just try that out. I've done a quick short video, which is that one there, that I'm bouncing back. So if I want to create a GIF from that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my share sheet, which is the one on the bottom right here. And then I'm going to scroll down till it says GIF iOS 15. Yes, I'm going to click on that, and we should get a preview to see what it looks like. Let's have a look. Boom, boom. Yes, that's it. I'm bouncing and it's bouncing. So it will continue forever. Now, if I say done, then that will automatically save that, because that's what we have as an action into the recent pictures. So that's how we do it this time around. So let's just have a quick look. That's it, a quick look. And that's not too bad, and that will bounce on forever. That's how we do it now if you are into, you know, doing the GIF yourself. Let's say controlling a bit more the GIF yourself. But again, don't forget that we've got the options. So this was us, let's say we went to Oxford, we did some nice wandering around, and you know, and you're aware that if you press and hold the picture, things will move on like that, and that will stop. That's the instant that we get recorded. Now on my top left corner, I have got two options. Well, I've got an option which was the symbol I was talking about. That is live. If I click on that, that gives me the option to do a loop, which means that this will bounce back the instant. But you would see that it's not exactly a GIF, which is not what you want, but there are some interesting options that we get there. We can get bounce, which will give us this kind of result, point, and it comes back back and forth. So this is actually not too bad. It will be something interesting that you can sort of like play around with. And then finally we've got the long exposure, which will give you this sort of like interstellar effect. I don't know what I want to say. So a quick recap, guys. We've created a GIF using the iPhone with the latest iOS 15. So as usual, if you found this useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would really love that, and the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. So stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.